Hey guys, it's your girl Polish Beauty back again. And if you are new to my channel, I just want to let you know that we are everything beauty from drugstore to high-end, and I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if not every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, at least once a week. So right now we are here to get into my first impressions and a tutorial of using the Maybelline Nudes of New York. This palette is absolutely stunning. Okay, and then we're going to be using for the first time the Juvia's Place Shade Stick Foundation. So if you want to know my shade and my final thoughts, you're going to have to wait until the end of the video. But before we get into it, how about you look down real quick, hit that subscribe button, and we're about to get into it. So I am taking that color into the crease zone and blending that out, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. I took a lighter shade in that palette and just went a little bit into the crease and a little bit lower the crease. This is just going to diffuse that color. It's just going to soften that deeper color up. Now we went into another matte shade. It's more of a nude color, and we are taking that over the lid. And now we are going into a shimmer shade and going over that nude color. This is just going to add some sparkle to the eyes and you know, be on our way to complete the look. Now I am just doing some blending just to soften up that dark color, to just blend it out so it won't look so harsh. Because I hate Henry liner, we're just lining the lids. Okay guys, we're going to be trying out Juvia's Place the Shake Stick for the first time. Let me tell you guys, this is the shade looks like Maritana. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. Trying to get my camera to focus on it so you guys can kind of see it. I'll put it in the description anyways, but I don't think my camera is going to focus on it. But these are multi-purpose foundation sticks, and the claims are it's formulated to feel like skin. Our shade stick is weightless, multi-purpose formula that glides seamless to cover imperfections while giving full definition to face. This full coverage formula is infused with shea butter and oil controlling ingredients to aid in a long wear time while providing radiance to skin. This is paraben free, sulfate free, gluten free formula, and it is supposed to be full coverage. So this is my first time trying it. This is what it looks like. Looks a little yellow, but we'll see. We are now doing some cream contouring. Okay, you guys, I'm going to finish up and I will be right back. Okay guys, this is my final look. Apparently I must have had my mic off when I was filming this, and I just realized it now in editing it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and enjoyed this look. I absolutely adore that palette. I think that palette performed very, very well. I like the foundation it performed. And, you know, hit the subscribe button.